Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 45. Chipe. Chipe. Again, our word for today is JIB, which means home, but when we say chipe, it could also mean at home. How do you write chipe in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable, chip, we need to draw first a G character followed by an E character followed by a B character. For the second syllable, we need to draw a no sound iyang followed by an character. And that's how you write chipe in Hangul. Now let's try looking into this example sentence. It says, na chipe kale, which is translated into English as, I wanna go home. That sentence could be subdivided into three. The first part is na, which means I. Second part is chipe or chip, which means home. And the third part is kale, which means want to go. And when these three parts are combined, it would result to a sentence that means I wanna go home or I wanna go to home. And as you can see, our word for today, chip or chipe, is used on this sentence. Again, our example sentence is na chipe kale, and that is translated as I wanna go home. And with that, you've just learned chip or chipe. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 35 to 44. But don't forget our word for today, word number 45, chipe or chip, which means home. The first word for our review is word number 44, shikan, and it means time. Word number 43 is goyangi, and it means cat. Word number 42 is hakseng, and it means student. Word number 41 is Aniyo, and it is used to say, it is not. Word number 40 is ne, which means yes. Word number 39 is Aniyo, which means no. Word number 38 is check, which means book. Word number 37 is hakyo, which means school. Word number 36 is mul, which means water. And the last word for our review is word number 35, choyeyo, which means this is me or it is me. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.